Looking for the perfect DSLR camera to elevate your photography? Whether you're a beginner capturing your first shots or a professional aiming for stunning detail and versatility, the best DSLR cameras offer exceptional image quality, fast performance, and robust features. In this guide, we highlight the top models that deliver reliability, creative control, and outstanding value for every type of photographer. Starting at number 1. Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR Camera. The Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR Camera 2-lens kit is an excellent starter package for beginners looking to upgrade their photography with crisp image quality and versatile shooting options. Featuring a 24.1 MP APS-C CMOS sensor, improved dual-pixel CMOS AF, and full HD 1080p video recording, it delivers sharp, vibrant results in a variety of shooting conditions. The included 18 to 55mm lens is perfect for everyday photography, while the 75 to 300mm telephoto lens gives you extended reach for capturing distant subjects. With built-in Wi-Fi and NFC, sharing photos is quick and easy, and the 9-point AF system with AI Servo AF ensures fast, accurate focusing. Additional perks like the optical viewfinder with 95% coverage, multiple metering modes, and compatibility with Canon's webcam utility software make this kit a reliable and flexible choice for new photographers. Number 2. Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR Camera. The Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera with 18 to 55mm lens is a user-friendly entry-level DSLR that's perfect for beginners stepping up from smartphones or compact cameras. It features a 24.1 MP APS-C CMOS sensor paired with Canon's Digic 4 Plus image processor to deliver detailed photos in vibrant colors, with an ISO range of 100 to 6400, expandable to 12800, to handle various lighting situations. The camera records full HD 1080p video and includes a 9-point autofocus system for reliable focusing, alongside built-in Wi-Fi and NFC for easy wireless sharing of images to your smartphone or tablet. With its classic optical viewfinder, intuitive controls, and compatibility with Canon EF and EFS lenses, the Rebel T7 is an affordable and versatile choice for new photographers learning the basics of DSLR photography. Number 3. Nikon D7500 DSLR. The Nikon D7500 DSLR with AF-SDX Nikkor 18 to 140mm f divided by 3.5-5.6 GED VR lens is a powerful and versatile APS-C DSLR that caters to enthusiasts and serious hobbyists who want excellent image quality and strong performance. It sports a 20.9 MP DX format CMOS sensor paired with Nikon's XP5 image processor, delivering sharp stills and smooth operation across a wide ISO range for reliable low-light performance. The camera features an advanced 51-point autofocus system with 15 cross-type sensors and up to 8 frames per second continuous shooting, making it capable of capturing fast-moving subjects with precision. You also get 4K UHD video recording and full HD options, along with a 3.2-inch tilting touchscreen LCD for flexible shooting angles. The included 18 to 140mm VR lens offers a broad zoom range from wide-angle to telephoto, plus optical vibration reduction to help keep images steady. With its robust build, responsive controls, and feature set that rivals higher-end models, the Nikon D7500 kit is an excellent all-around choice for photographers and videographers alike. Number 4. Nikon D850 DSLR Camera. The Nikon D850 DSLR camera bundle is a professional-grade, full-frame DSLR that delivers exceptional image quality and performance for serious photographers and videographers. Powered by a 45.7 MP back-illuminated full-frame CMOS sensor and Nikon's XP5 image processor, it produces stunningly detailed stills with wide dynamic range and excellent low-light capability, while also offering 4K UHD video recording for high-quality motion capture. Number 5. Canon EOS 6D Mark II DSLR Camera. The Canon EOS 6D Mark II DSLR camera with EF 24-105mm USM lens is a powerful full-frame DSLR that blends professional-level imaging with user-friendly features, making it ideal for serious enthusiasts and advanced photographers alike. It sports a 26.2MP full-frame CMOS sensor paired with a Digic 7 image processor, delivering sharp, detailed photos and impressive low-light performance with a wide native ISO range that can be expanded for even greater sensitivity.